Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine and in today's video we are going to talk about how we can convert a PDF file into a Word file. So for the purpose of this video, you will require your Word browser open as well as the PDF file that you want to convert next to that browser. So me, for example, I want to convert my one of my blogs into a Word file from PDF. So my file looks like this. So as you can see, this is the blog that I have, so it's fully text, but now it's in PDF format, so I cannot edit it for the moment. Now, let's say that I want to convert this file into a Word file. How am I going to proceed? So pretty simple. First of all, you will go inside of Microsoft Word, and then what exactly you will need to do is simply go here inside of File. Once it's done, what you can do is simply take your blog and bring it right here. So you take your PDF and you drag it. You will have a message that will appear that says that your file will be converted into a editable PDF. You just click on OK. And then what's going to happen is that your PDF file will appear into a Word file. So now as you can see, I can pretty much do what I want with this file. So it's appeared right here. I can click on edit and here I can edit my file. So as you can see, my file is fully functional. And if we compare it with this one right here that we have, so this is our PDF right there. And this is our Word file right here. So it's really amazing because not only it has converted our file from PDF to Word, it kept pretty much the format as we wanted. So for example, here, this is a title. So I can close it and open it as I want. Here, same thing. So I can really decide what, how I want to work with my PDF file. So as you can see right here, I have all the titles and I can open them or simply close them as I want. So I have not only did it convert it, but it also kept the format perfect. So this is basically how you can convert a PDF to a Word file. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.